Do you want to learn more about crocheting, knitting, and amigurumi and it feel a little bit less like you're in a classroom and more like you're just sitting down with a good friend and a hot cup of coffee? Then this is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Elise from the blog LePetitSaintCrochet.com, and I began crocheting late in 2016 as a way to deal with my son's very serious health crisis. But as his health improved, my love for all things crochet, amigurumi, and eventually knitting grew and grew and grew. Eventually, I became a certified crochet instructor through the Craft Yarn Council, and I began my blog LePetitSaintCrochet.com and started teaching folks in person at a local yarn store. For so long, I believed that creativity was for artistic people, not ordinary middle-aged women like me. So now my goal is to help inspire you to create through crocheting and knitting, and I use my skills as a certified crochet instructor to be able to teach techniques, all the while helping you not to be afraid to make mistakes and kicking perfectionist tendencies to the curb. You can expect a new video every single week where I teach something about knitting, crocheting, or amigurumi, and sometimes I give a little peek behind the scenes and share some of my everyday life, especially my rescue dog Jersey Boy and our new rescue kitten Olive. I hope you will consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love getting to know you all from all over the world, whether you are just interested in crocheting and knitting and amigurumi, you've never done it before, or you are very experienced. You are so welcome here, and I will see you in the next video.